So today is the day we are finally going to put a new exhaust system on the Project Fox, because I mean, look, if you look at the exhaust right now, it's not really screaming performance. So we need to change this, and also the reason because of that, well, with us doing a bit of patches to the exhaust system, well, it's not in the best condition. So today we're going to be heading on over and putting a brand new exhaust system in, and I'm going to be taking you on the journey. So if you do want to enjoy today's video, well, don't forget, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Now we knew the exhaust system was going to change from the time we decided we were going to go fuel injection instead of carburetor, because as you can see, this was the original exhaust that came with the car, and we decided to put a different exhaust manifold on, so we weren't going to be able to use this exhaust, which was also kind of the reason I just took a hacksaw and began to actually just cut the exhaust off, because I mean, I saw it having no points and it was in the way. So best way to get rid of it, just cuts it off. So we still needed to get the car to the exhaust shop, and in order to do that, we needed an exhaust. So we had to use the exhaust that came with the car as well as join it to the new manifold. So in order to do that, well, it required a bit of welding, a bit of cutting, bit of welding, a bit more cutting, and you won't guess it, a bit more welding. So with the exhaust patched together and held together with a few tacks and a bit of gangam, well, this is what the exhaust sounded like. It was then time to hit the road and make our way over to the exhaust shop. Now, we knew there was only one place that we were going to take the car for an exhaust system, and that is Prima. So, if you're looking for quality exhaust systems that don't take about 3 days to get completed, well, you need to check out Prima, because the entire time that it took from the time we got there, the car on the lift, to the time we left, was an hour and 3 minutes. Start to end, from us driving in to driving out, it was an hour and 3 minutes exactly. So look, when it came to the exhaust system, well, we need to get rid of the old one, and in replacements, well, we actually didn't do branches and all of that. It was just from the knuckle back. So maybe that's also why it didn't take really long, because branches do take a lot longer to complete. Now, as you saw, yes, that was a power play can, in fact 2 of them, and they were basically acting as heat shields, because the exhaust, as I said, it had holes in it because we just roughly tacked it together to just get us here. So with that being said, I'm not gonna talk much more and just let you sit back and watch the entire process of the exhaust system being put on. Come. Now to go along with the new system, we also asked them to just make the pipe that fits between the air filter and the concertina pipe. Go
I know. It's really a little bit different. I know. You know, I don't know what happened, but there's a bit of a change in it. A bit of a change from when I last drove it. I don't know what happened. Yeah, no, it's pulling a lot better now. Pulling a lot better. But 2 liter. I wanna pull like that.
So with that there, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. That basically sums up the exhaust. I mean, you heard it from the outside, you heard it from inside the car. Look, I'm really chuffed with how the car's sound turned out. Now it does sound a lot better in person. I am just gonna say that. I don't know what it is with the camera, but the audio, what it sounds like in the video and what it sounds like in person, two very different things. Apologies for only like 2 outside pulls of the car, but hey, with time constraints, that's all I could do. So with all of this being said, I hope you guys did go on to enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more VW content.